Okay, so we had a change of plans today. We had planned to go to the Silver Lake Dunes and do a dune buggy ride. However, you can see it is super overcast and rainy. So they're closed today. So we are headed down to the water. And hopefully the kids will like it down here because I'm not sitting in the camper all day. Anyway, sometimes when you're camping, you just gotta go with the flow.
Hey, welcome back. We're going to talk about our route. We're from Nashville, so our route is from Nashville up through Kentucky into Indiana, and then up into Michigan, follow the west coast of Michigan up into the Upper Peninsula, spend several days in the UP, and then make our way back to Nashville through Wisconsin and Illinois, and then ultimately back to Tennessee.
Yeah. You want to share how we pick sites and like certain places where we stay, the parks, and why you picked those certain?
Yeah,
he did all of the planning. Usually I'm the trip planner, but he did all of it this time, and he's got some tips on how to pick where you stay.
Well, since our whole thing about this channel is how to RV on a budget, I didn't pick the nice RV parks that have Wi-Fi and full hookups and all that kind of stuff. So we stuck to mostly state parks and Corps of Engineer properties.
Which are really nice if you are a super outdoorsy person.
Which you probably are if you're RVing anyway. You're at least somewhat of an outdoor person.
Yes. But if your family likes to do a lot of biking and hiking and trails, and these parks we went to had a lot of like lakeshore stuff, lakefront stuff and water stuff. So if you're if that's up your alley, state parks is for sure the way to go.
There's usually some amenity at a state park. Attraction, I guess, would be the better word. You know, why do they have a state park here? Well, because there's a waterfall, or because there's a lake, something like that. So we picked the parks based on, you know, something that we wanted to see. Price, $20 to $30 a night in most cases. A lot cheaper than a hotel room or a vacation rental.
Then you have all of your own stuff. You have your own bed, your sheets, your pillows, your own kitchen. You can cook all your food there, which is great. You don't have to
go out to eat all the time. That saves money.
Your own bathroom, which is great.
Your own bathroom.
Well, I guess you would have your own bathroom in a hotel too. But
yes, but this is our own bathroom.
Yeah.
Nobody else uses it. So, but that's how we pick the sites. And that's part of our route, so there's more to come.
We tried to keep our drive days, or like the time we were driving, under 3 hours. There were actually some days where we were like hour and a half. Other days little bit longer, close to 3 hours, but you can easily break those days up, stop for lunch somewhere, stop at a park, a playground, whatever.
Especially when traveling with younger children,
Yeah.
like we are, you've got to break
You will
it up.
Google closest playground near me. That is what you will do.
Yeah.
But anyway, try to keep your drive days a little bit shorter, but also keep in mind something we learned is that you might be able to find a place that's more centralized to be able to do the things you want to do and drive 45 minutes or an hour here or there versus pick up and move every day.
Yeah.
We did a lot of moving this trip, and
we just didn't realize how close a lot of the things in the UP were.
Yeah.
We probably could have stayed at one spot and hit a lot of those places as opposed to 3 different places, maybe 4.
Yeah.
4 different places. We probably could have made it one and saved a lot of time with hooking up and moving and setting up, and just it takes time.
Things you learn along the way. This next little clip you're going to see is actually something we didn't plan on doing. It's been raining a lot.
My bike.
One second. It's been raining a lot where we are currently, and so we had decided we were going to do this dune buggy ride on the dunes. However, they're closed. It's raining. So plan B. That's a 2. 2 means B. I don't know. Anyway,
Plan 2.
Plan 2. We are going to the Children's Museum. So follow along. We'll take you with us, and then we'll maybe give you some more tips and hacks.
Love this.
Say hi.
Hi.
Do you like camping?
I'm Brinley.
And this is Brinley. Dax, you want to come say hi?
Come here, buddy. You want to say hi?
So Brinley's 5, and Dax is 2. Say hi.
Wave to the camera.
No.
Nope.
All right.
Okay.
Anyway, see you next time.
Bye bye.
Cooking on your Blackstone for the first time?
Yeah. I'm going to cook some eggs and some pancakes. Probably do the bacon in the air fryer because it's just better. I don't know. I decided. But
Well, how do you know you haven't cooked bacon on the Blackstone?
that is true. Maybe I'll try some pieces on the Blackstone just to see what it's
And
like.
we have to get them to weigh today, so we may not want to clean the
Yeah.
air fryer.
That's a good point. Because that's a task. But it's worth it because that bacon is really good in the air fryer. But they're not ready yet. Maybe I should turn this up a little. I'm sure most people probably cook, chicken State. I don't know. It's their first like Blackstone. You know.
I'm wondering if you cooked bacon on there first and got the good grease down for the eggs.
I'll put some butter down.
Well, I had to season it with cooking oil.
Not enough. So, anyway. We'll see how this goes. Let you know.
Well, it's probably gonna take cooking oil sometime, like just getting
So, I thought you said the Michaels were leaving.
What?
You are incorrect. They're in Site 17. Okay.